Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina and today I'm going to be creating this kind of, how do I explain it? Kind of an everyday look but with a pop of colour, and the pop of colour comes from none other than my eyeliner. Let me just go in a bit and focus. That better, but yeah. And it's really simple, guys. By the way, I've like literally not done my makeup fresh. This is from like 6 o'clock in the morning and right now it is 6:14. So obviously that's why it's really weird, because I don't actually wear like dewy foundation. Well, I do wear dewy foundation but I powder it, but I do get very oily after a while. Not even oily, because this is not oil, like, do you get what I mean? Like, it's just shiny, and I don't know why that is, but to be honest with you, I have been taking care of my skin. I'm drinking a lot more water, and also I'm trying to do a lot more skincare, so maybe something to do with that. By the way, guys, I had a bit of a fiasco with my fringe. Like, it was kind of getting long, so I thought I'd cut it myself, and like, no, it's just kind of like this. I need to sort it out, but it's kind of in my eye and it's a bit annoying. I'm using one of my favorite brushes. They are Spectrum Collections and they look just like this. They're very pretty unicorn ones, and I'm going to be using none other than this Morphe palette. As you can see, guys, this Morphe palette is getting battered by me, like literally. Like, look at all of it. Another thing what I noticed, guys, that Unique and Creativity, which are, this is Creativity and that's Unique, they're foil shadows and the rest are just pressed pigments. Like, let me show you a pressed pigment. Like, that's one of the pressed pigments, and then this is the foil. Like, do you see the difference? Like, let me show you like this. Like, do you see the difference? Like, how the foil one has pigment like all over here. Which one was it? Like, and then this. Not complaining, by the way, guys, but just a thought of that in case. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. I'm going to talk through all the things that I'm using. So the first brush I'm picking up is the Spectrum AO8, which is this one, and I'm going to pick up the color called Selfie, which is this one in the Morphe 15N. Just going to take some, tap it off, and just put it into my crease. As you can see, my crease is kind of getting greasy as well, because obviously I've had my makeup done for so long. But anyway, let's get started. So I'm just gonna put the colour all in. Guys, honestly, I'm not even lying to you, like, this brush, well, these brushes are like so good. Like, literally, I was thinking to myself when I first purchased them, they're actually more expensive than the Real Technique ones. Well, they're not expensive. If you actually work it out, Real Technique got expensive, but like for a brand, like, obviously Real Techniques is a lot more known, if that makes sense. So I was thinking that it is quite expensive, because they were like £23 or 20, no, it was 29, I think. I'm just gonna take like that and just drag it in. Then I'm gonna pick up the colour Vava Voom, which is this colour, and I'm using the same brush, and I'm just putting it on the end, like literally dabbing it on the end. I'm gonna make sure that it stays the same as that one, because I do tend to do that, by the way, guys. Because start off at eye look and the eyes get completely different. I'm using the same brush. I'm going to pick up a bit more Selfie because I kind of want to lighten it a bit. But don't worry, I'm going to go in with it. Oh god. I do like to bring my transition colour in a bit, but sometimes I get a bit too carried away with it. as you can see today. Yeah, so I'm gonna take another blending brush. I'm gonna use the Rio Techniques Deluxe brush because I just find it so much easier to kind of take your excess eyeshadow and yeah, that's a lot better. Now I'm gonna pick up the color Unique, which is again a foil eyeshadow, but it's a goldy kind of one. And I'm going to pick some on my finger. I'm going to rub off that excess red that I got, and I'm just going to put it here. By the way guys, I've already got mascara on, so I'm just kind of showing you like a quick look. Like, you can use any colours, any palettes that you like, but just change up the look. Sorry. Guys, you know what? I'm actually so shocked at myself because I haven't actually bought makeup in a hot minute. Like, literally. I do want to get some. I just feel like I need some more. I've actually got a lot of stuff that I haven't touched already in my makeup drawer, but you know when you just want some more. I don't want it, I feel like I need it, so I do really want to get some. By the way guys, I just want to show you this colour, this really pretty matte colour. I've used it before, but honestly, like, it's just so pretty. And look at that pigment, like, this palette, so stunning. Like, do you see that? I've got a lot of eyeshadows, by the way guys, which are really good once you put them on the eyelid, but the pigment is not that good. Like, look at that, once I've rubbed it off, it's still there. Like, really good. This red, by the way guys, is kind of flaky a bit. Like, there's so much more product here. Anyway, yeah. So the eyeliner that I'm going to be picking up, it is actually a glittery one. It's a Wonder Swipe. It's one by Rimmel London. It's Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow, and this colour is Cool as Fuck. Well, it says Cool AF, but I'm obviously assuming it says that. That's the colour, guys. So now I'm going to try my very best to do eyeliner. My very best. It's kind of hard to put on eyeliner once you have dry mascara on your lid, but anyway, I actually did like how this look came out, especially because sometimes I feel like I do these kind of looks and, like, you know, you just want a bit of colour to it. And this, by the way guys, you can actually use this eyeshadow, like, if I show you, look how pretty it looks. Like, literally, like, you can always, like, do you see how still it is? Very pretty. But anyway, this guys is the finished look. It wasn't something too fancy. I just wanted to do a look for you guys that was really quick and easy, something that you can do on top of all the makeup, and it's easy to take off. Also another thing, guys, what I wanted to address was that obviously when I was, I'm not trying to say like I'm some sort of blogger or whatever, etc., but sometimes when I used to look at people doing their makeup online and I used to see all their fancy makeup, like I wanted it all, and it kind of used to make me feel sad. But that's not the case, guys. Like, you can always improvise, like you can always use something that you have at home. Like the way I used to do it when I was younger, because obviously at that time I didn't really used to earn money, and when I was into makeup at a very young age, so what I used to do is I used to use stuff that I already had at home. Like for example, if I've used this eyeliner, anything that you have that's colourful at home, it doesn't even have to be the same colour, just a colourful one. It could be any brand, you can use it. Do you know what I mean? Like even with your eye palettes, like I feel like a lot of people, especially young girls and boys, like go out and buy so many new and different stuff. Like every time something's out, I feel like people want to go out and buy it, and there's nothing wrong with that. Trust me, there's nothing wrong, because I do it now. But I feel people shouldn't be kind of feeling forced to do so, if that makes sense. So, and that's my message to you guys, that don't think just because I've got this palette, or if someone else has got this palette, that you need to go out and get it and break the bank, or etc. That you should use whatever you have at home, as long as it's the same colours, or not even same colours, because you might not like blue like what I've got on my eyes, you may not like it. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. Another thing I wanted to talk about was this bourgeois highlighter that I bought, guys, and I'm not really sure how I feel about it. I think I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow. It's this, it's more, I don't know how to explain it. Like, you know how highlighters just make you feel a certain way? Like this doesn't. Like, it's just, it's not a highlighter vibe for me, if that makes sense. So yeah, I might use it as an eyeshadow, but I mean, like if I was to put it on my cheeks, like dab it on, like it's not bad. Don't get me wrong, it's not bad, but it just doesn't do it for me. I don't know, we'll see how we get on. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and also do drop your thoughts and opinions in this video down in the comments below, and I will get back to you. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and share if you wish to do so, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.